Hi guys, in front of me is HONOR Magic7 Pro, and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. So at first open the settings, then find and select users and accounts and mark add account. Select Google as we want to add Google account here, and provide your email address or phone number. Let me go with email address and select next. Now enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, mark next. Now decide if this device is yours or if it belongs to your kid. Just mark correctly and then choose next. I agree. Accept, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.